10 ways to make $100 a day online with no investment. Good day, everyone. Today, we're going to explore an exciting topic, how to make $100 a day online without needing any upfront investment. With the rise of the digital economy, making money online has become more accessible than ever. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time income, there are endless opportunities, especially in the U.S. market. So, let's dive into 10 realistic ways you can start earning without spending a penny up front. 1. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular and lucrative ways to make money online. The idea is simple. Promote products or services through a unique affiliate link, and when someone makes a purchase, you earn a commission. How to do it? You can promote affiliate products on your blog, YouTube channel, or social media. For every sale made through your link, you'll earn a percentage of the revenue. Platforms to use: Amazon Associates, ClickBank, CJ Affiliate. Potential earnings. With high commission products in niches like technology or health, it's entirely possible to earn $100 or more in a single day. 2. Dropshipping. Dropshipping allows you to sell products online without handling inventory or shipping. You list products on your store, and when someone buys, a third-party supplier ships the item directly to the customer. How to do it? Set up a store on Shopify or eBay, partner with suppliers, and start promoting products. Potential earnings. You can earn a healthy profit margin by selling trending items, and with the right marketing strategy, you could easily make $100 a day. 3. Freelance writing. If you're good at writing, freelance content creation is an excellent option. Many companies and websites are looking for high-quality articles and blog posts. How to do it? You can offer your writing services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Potential earnings. Depending on the quality and length of your writing, you can charge anywhere from $50 to $200 per article, making it easy to reach that $100 a day mark. 4. Print on demand. Print on demand allows you to create custom designs for t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more without managing inventory. How to do it? Design unique graphics. Upload them to platforms like Teespring or Redbubble, and they'll handle the printing and shipping when someone places an order. Potential earnings. With creative, eye-catching designs, it's possible to generate sales that bring in $100 or more per day. 5. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a subject, online tutoring is a rewarding way to earn money while helping students. How to do it? Sign up on platforms like Chegg Tutors or Tutor.com and offer lessons in subjects you excel in. Potential earnings. Tutors can charge between $20 to $50 per hour. With a few hours of teaching per day, you can easily meet the $100 day target. 6. Testing websites and apps. Many companies pay users to test websites and apps, providing feedback on usability and functionality. How to do it? Join platforms like User Testing or Try My UI, and you'll get paid to complete short tests. Potential earnings. Each test typically takes around 20 to 30 minutes and pays $10 to $15. By completing multiple tests a day, you can reach $100. 7. YouTube channel. YouTube is one of the most powerful platforms to generate passive income through ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships. How to do it? Create valuable, engaging content on a topic you're passionate about, whether it's tutorials, reviews, or entertainment. Potential earnings. With consistent views and monetization through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate links, $100 a day is achievable, especially as your channel grows. 8. Virtual assistant. As a virtual assistant, you'll handle various administrative tasks like managing emails, scheduling appointments, or handling social media for businesses or individuals. How to do it? You can offer your services on Upwork or Fiverr and work with clients remotely. Potential earnings. VA services typically range from $10 to $30 per hour. Working just 3 to 4 hours a day can help you reach that $100 goal. 9. Social media management. If you're familiar with growing social media accounts, businesses and influencers are always looking for help managing their online presence. How to do it. Offer to handle social media marketing, content creation, and audience engagement for companies or influencers. Potential earnings. Managing several social media accounts can bring in over $100 a day, especially if you deliver great results. 10. Transcription. Transcription involves listening to audio or video files and converting them into written documents. How to do it. Sign up on platforms like Rev or Transcribe Me and start working on transcription jobs. Potential earnings. Transcribers can earn between $15 to $25 per hour. With consistent work, you can easily hit $100 a day. In conclusion, making $100 a day online without upfront investment is very achievable with the right strategies and consistent effort. Whether you're leveraging your skills through freelance work, building a YouTube channel, or tapping into affiliate marketing, the key is to stay committed and focused. Start small, build your expertise, and watch your online income grow. So, out of these 10 ideas, which one do you find most interesting or suitable for you? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Let me know in the comments below which method you're going to try first. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, MMO Trends, to stay updated on the latest trends and strategies for making money online. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know about new opportunities, tips, and tricks to help you succeed in the online world. Thank you for listening, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.